Flash flood warning! Crap, I knew it. Flash flood warning. Listen. Listen. My weather radio is going off.
Flash flood warning.
Crap.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, and Westmoreland.
I think we're in this one.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, west central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 1:30 a.m.
Sorry, I
At
missed
10:37 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1.5 inches. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch.
Yeah, I mean that. Sorry guys, we're watching the Pirates game.
Experienced flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Monroeville, McKeesport, Jeanette, Plum, West Mifflin, North Side Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 54 and 70. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 68 and 84. Turn around, don't
So you
drown.
turn around, don't drown.
Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. At 10.
Alright guys, up next is the radio relay.